Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into both your Battlenet and Twitch accounts. This reduces friction. Once logged in, enable two-factor authentication on each account so authorization tokens exchange securely. Make sure to close other logged-in sessions and use a desktop browser for predictable permissions prompts. Now open Twitch settings and keep Battlenet in a second tab. This parallel setup speeds the flow. By preparing accounts and security first, you avoid mid-process denials and can complete the link without interruptions. You go to Twitch settings, choose connections, and click Connect next to Battlenet. This initiates the OAuth handshake. When Battlenet prompts, carefully review requested scopes, game data, friend list, or broadcasting tags, and approve only what's necessary. If you use a corporate or family email, make sure account ownership confirmation screens match your credentials. Once you accept, Twitch will receive an authorization token. If the page stalls, refresh both tabs and reissue the connect command. Repeated approvals are sometimes needed to see. You finish by verifying the link inside Twitch Connections. Battlenet should display as connected with green status. Then test functionality, claim a drop, enable linked game overlays, or start a stream and confirm in-game features appear. If something fails, make sure to re-authenticate both accounts. Log out, clear cookies, or use an incognito window to remove cached tokens. As a key troubleshooting tip, regenerate your Battlenet app password or disable browser extensions that block pop-ups. Those are common culprits, preventing the final authorization step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.